Okay, hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, I would like to share on how to use the shape builder tool. So let's get started. By looking at this house here, we can see that this is our previous project. We give it a name as fundamental.ai. AI is the extension of this file. Okay, so I don't have to create a new project. I just continue with the previous one. So I think this house will be a disturbance to me, so I toggle off the eye so I will not see it. So let us go to shape builder tool. This is the shape builder tool. So shape builder tool is exactly the same with Pathfinder here. Okay, but shape builder tool will be a lot more easier rather than use the Pathfinder, because sometimes if you mistakenly or accidentally use the wrong icon or the wrong function here, you will get a different result. Alright, so let us create an ellipse. We change it to green. For the time being, we let the stroke color to be black, and then we made a circle, and then we use a selection tool. We copy this holding Alt key and then click and drag it, and then we copy another one holding alternate key, click and drag. Now we have three shapes. The first ellipse or the first circle. So we want to combine these three shapes together. So we can use shape builder tool. What you have to do is, first you find the intersection part, maybe this part, and then you also want to intersect this part. Okay, if we select these three shapes together, we can align them. We click window and then set for align. So this is align, and then this is the set where align to selection, meaning it will be aligned based on this selection, and align to artboard, it will be aligned with the artboard here. Okay, so align to selection, and then we make it horizontal align center. So all these three circles will be centered. Okay, and then maybe we try to increase the size of the last circle by holding Shift and Alt key and drag it like that, and also the second one, increase it a little bit, but for this one we want to make it become taller. So we can use direct selection tool, and then we select this part, anchor point here, and then use our arrow key and make it go up. Okay, so now we have this shape, and then we can close this panel here, use our selection tool, and then select these three shape, and then the shortcut key is Shift M. But if you don't want to memorize the shortcut key, you can go to this tool here and then search for shape builder tool, and then you right click on it, and now you can see here the shortcut key is Shift M. And then you have two steps. First step, if you want to combine the three shape, okay, you just click and drag these three shape together. So now all these three shapes is combined together. Okay, but if you want to delete a part from this shape, and then you press Alt key, and then you just click at any part that you want to remove it. For example, this part and then this part. Okay, and you can also remove two parts together. Okay, hold your Alt key and then click and drag until these two surface meet. Alright, and you can also remove this part and also this part. For example, you hold Alt key click here and then drag until here, and you can also click, okay, hold your Alt key, click the top one and click the bottom one, and the result will be the same. Okay, but in this shape, let us just combine these three shapes together. So if you take a look carefully, if we zoom in, okay, so this three shape is arranged, okay, one after another. So if we combine these three shapes together, take a look carefully, I click and drag until all the surface I have crossed. So now the layer become one, and all these three shape is grouped together, okay, and it become one path, just like that. Okay, and by looking at this shape, I think you guys already know what I'm going to illustrate. So let's just straightforward create a rectangle, and then we make the rectangle first, just like that, and then we change to brown. Okay, and then we just place it here. So now you have a tree. That is the first one. And then maybe we can make a cloud. So cloud is very easy. You choose your ellipse tool and then draw some simple shape like this, and then you set the color to blue, and then you just have to copy the shape. You use the selection tool, hold your Alt key, click and drag, okay, until you see something like a cloud. And then you choose these three shapes together, you press Shift M, and then you just click and drag it to all of the surface. So now you have the shape of a cloud. Very easy. Okay, and the last one, we try to do the eclipse. Okay, first you draw a circle, hold your Shift key and drag, and then change the color to yellow, and now use your selection key, and then hold Alt key and click and drag. Okay, so now you have these two shapes. So to make an eclipse, okay, you press Shift M and then hold your Alt key and click this part and also this part. Okay, so that's it. This one is very easy, and I hope you can make something good from what I share. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Assalamualaikum.